again. Today we're going to make another kuih, Nyonya kuih, or also a Malay-based kuih called Abuk Abuk. And Abuk Abuk is made from Sago pearls. I'm Loretta Lee, Nyonya Recipe. Nyonya Recipe is a fine place for fabulous food, and I share with you my food journey. And sometimes I do experiment with things because it's been quite a long while, you know. So do join me, and don't forget to click like and subscribe if you enjoy my channel, and it will help to motivate me to do some more videos. So now let's go and see what we have in store today. To make the abuk abuk, we soak the sago, 80 grams sago, in cold water for about 10 minutes. For the filling, we use 25 grams of brown sugar, or I use palm sugar, but this is Thai, so it's not that dark as the Malaysian one. And I also use 15 grams of castor sugar. We also need some banana leaves. Finally, I got some, and it's cut to about 20 cm, which is about 8 inches diameter, and it has been softened so that it can be cut and folded. We drain the sago. Now we make the sago mixture. Then we add to it 40 grams of fresh coconut. We add in 15 grams of sugar. We toss and we mix it up properly. Now we divide the mixture into 2 portions. Okay, roughly. I'll color this with some pandan paste to get the green color. So now we have the filling, which I'll mix, and this is what we call inti in Malaysia. Fold the banana leaf into 2, and then we make a cone out of it. Yeah. And make sure you get the middle ones, not the one that goes out. Okay. We add about 2 teaspoons of the filling, the plain ones. Add 1 teaspoon of the filling, and then you top up with about another 2 teaspoons of the green one. Press it down. I find it easier if you put a little piece of banana leaves here so it doesn't leak that much. You need to have a very big cone in order to fold nicely. Securing with the cocktail stick helps. We need some banana leaf that is scalded in hot water, about 10 cm width. We try another time. You fold it and make sure your fingers is here, and then you make a cone. The white about 2 teaspoons, and then you push it down. And then you add a teaspoon of the sugar. And then you top it up with the green colored sago mixture. And then you press it down again. Then you just fold it. Yeah, and it becomes a triangle. It's a triangle this way. And we put it on the steaming tray. Okay, now the 10 minutes is up. Okay, it's done. So here it is. Some has fallen over. Making a pink color or red color, so I add some water. I add a few drops of red or pink color. So I mix the color. Here is the drained sago. Add in the color. 1 teaspoon of rose water. Pinch of salt, about 1/8 of a teaspoon. Half a teaspoon of sugar. So we're going to mix this up properly. We add the coconut. Okay, and then we mix it. Here you are. So it looks quite nice. Let's have the pink one, which is slightly bigger. The pink one is nice. There you go. Here are the steamed abuk abuk, and I've cooled it. The dark specks that you see are actually part of the grated coconut because over in this country I'm using the frozen one, so there's a bit of black, you know, the husk, not the husk, the shell that's in the coconut. But when we do it in Malaysia, we normally grate our own and we avoid, you know, picking up the little black things. Okay, so it's okay. Looks pretty, little Mount Fuji. Enjoy. And here are the green ones, two-tone, plain and green, and I've also done one that is pink with rose essence. Oh, I'm going to try it. You can't really see the filling because the palm sugar is not dark enough, but in the center it's very sweet, and the sago mixture itself is a bit sweet. The sago has got a bite, it's a bit chewy, and you can chew the coconut pieces as well. And there's a very strong banana leaf smell. So that's what gives the uniqueness to the cake or to the kuih. And this is the pink one. It's a very strong rose smell. And the sago mixture is a bit savory because I added a pinch of salt. And when I bite on the filling, it's got the sugar and the palm sugar, there's actually a more contrast of the taste. So it actually tastes very nice. I hope you enjoy watching me making the abuk abuk and a few experimentation on the flavor. So until the next time, I'm Loretta Lee, Nyonya Recipe. Nyonya Recipe is a fine place for fabulous food, and I share with you my food journey. And don't forget to click like and hit the subscribe button so that you'll be notified of all the videos that I upload. And each time you like, it will motivate me to do even more videos. So thank you very much for your time. Until the next time, until the next recipe, bye. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Happy experimenting.